Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another thread and needle, or wool and needle, or yarn and needle cornrow tutorial. So I've done about 3 videos on this channel about how you can use yarn and needle to cornrow your hair, especially if you're somebody who don't know how to cornrow. This is a very easy and fast way for you to do your hair laying down without knowing how to cornrow. It is very simple, it's very easy. The more you practice, the more you're going to get a hold of it. So let's just go ahead. I don't want to talk too much. If today is your first time in tuning in, thank you so much for coming, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, let's just get right into it. So I sectioned the hair that I want to do out, and I also cut out the yarn that I'm going to use. You don't want to cut it so long, especially if you're doing it on your own hair, because you don't want to get it tangled up. So you want to put the yarn through the needle like this, and you want to tie it only once. I'm tying mine by once because I'm doing it by myself. By the time I pull it out, I don't want this part coming out all the time, so I tie it once. I'm just showing you how you can do this on your own hair. And I'm taking one side of the thread and I'm laying that down at the line of the hair. So I'm going to just use my 2 fingers here, or 3 fingers. I'm going to pinch this together. Then I'm going to take the needle and I'm going to put it right through my hair, and I'm going to pull it through. So you see, the reason that I would tell you guys to tie yours at the end of the thread is because you don't want it falling out all the time. So you just want to keep going. You want to put that in like this. And the needle that I'm using is a very, not a sharp needle, not pointy. It's like a very easy needle to pull through. It's not going to poke your hair, your head or your scalp. So you just want to keep doing that until you get to the end. Guys, I love this method because it's very gentle on your hair. My hair is very thin, very easy to break, and this is able to grab my tiny hair. I cut my hair I think beginning of this year or late last year, I'm not sure. I did cut my hair because you know what, the struggle of growing my hair has been forever. As you can see how gorgeous this is. You can let it go. You can see the yarn is still in between there, and you just want to go. It's not going to be, for me, I would say don't worry that it's not that neat. As long you keep doing it, you practice and practice and practice. You see, as you see, it looks like right now, it's really easy. My hair is so short, guys. Sometimes I don't even know the side I section out and the part I need to do. So I'm just going to keep doing that and see.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know, it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'll fire in my heart, yeah. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back.